Welcome to this ZBrush 2021 live workshop. So this is the first time I've done this. It's a live workshop, so I'll be running a course with multiple lives scattered throughout 4 weeks. So this course, Zero to Hero, takes you as an absolute beginner to ZBrush to an intermediate / advanced user. And we're going to do it all in 4 weeks. Now we're going to start on our course with running the basics. So I'm going to teach you all about the basics of ZBrush, and we're going to do several little sculpts to get you up to speed. This course is in 4 weeks, so each week we cover a different subject. The first week, what we're going to do is we're going to run a live at the beginning. This is a welcome, and it's also to tell you about the first week and about the course in general. Then at the end of that week, we're going to be running a critique. So there's actually going to be assignments at the end of each week's module. Okay, this is going to run the same for the following weeks. So there's going to be 8 lives, and then I'm going to run 2 bonus lives for when the actual workshop has finished. Okay, just to check up on you and answer any remaining questions. So in week 2, we're going to be creating for 3D printing. So we're going to be creating a figure, and we're going to be teaching you lots and lots of skills there. These are to be released in the next few weeks, the whole syllabus. Week 3, we're going to concentrate on jewelry in ZBrush. Now, for you guys that already know me, you'll know that I've got the biggest online course in the world on ZBrush jewelry. Okay, so it's taking a snippet out of that and giving you a broad stroke of what that involves. Then we're going to move to the last week, which is week 4, where we're going to look at advanced techniques. So these are techniques that you can use and employ across all of the weeks that you've done, the week 1, 2 and 3. So really excited about this and really excited to get into the live workshops. Each workshop will be roughly 1.5 to 2 hours long. As I said, there's going to be 10 of them, so that's roughly going to be about 20 hours worth of live, plus all the videos that are actually in the course itself. Okay, we're going to be running critiques throughout the workshop, plus I'm going to be releasing a very, very special bonus at the end of it as well that will really help you going forwards. So this is an early bird offer at the moment, so we've got this in at £500. Okay, so if you get in early, it's 500. If not, it's be 650. Okay, and we're going to be running this. Basically, I've got a sign up link below, so make sure you click on that and register your interest. No money up front to start with. Once we get enough people, I need a minimum of 10, a maximum of 20. So we're going to keep it as a small class, so I can pay attention to all of your needs during this 4-week period. Now, the other thing about the course is it will be open for at least 6 months after the course, so you can recap on things as you're working through. There will be handouts, and there will be free files given out during the course as well to help you, and of course I'm there every step of the way with you. So this is the first time I've run a live rather than just doing a course where you just take it, so I'm really excited to meet you guys, find out your needs and tailor this as we work. So it's going to be a real personal experience for you. There's a big need for live training as opposed to just online training. You're more likely to stick with it and follow through as well. So it's a very, very special price for you there on this. So if you register, basically you're going to get an email probably in about a week's time, 2 weeks time. It's going to give you more and more details on it. You're then going to look at a video where I'm going to go into a bit of detail on what we're going to be doing in the course. Then you can make your mind up whether you want to take the early bird offer or not. Okay, so no pressure here at all. And for you guys that have already taken a lot of my courses, you already know the standard that I work to and that I make sure that you get your money's worth out of me. So guys, jump into the ZBrush 2021 live workshop, Zero to Hero. Hopefully I'll see you in the course very, very soon.